Welcome to Biker's Choice, where we celebrate the spirit of motorcycling. Today, we're taking a closer look at the Suzuki V-Strom 650XT, an adventure motorcycle designed to tackle both on-road and off-road journeys with ease and style. Historical context. The Suzuki V-Strom 650XT first hit the market in 2015, building on the success of its predecessor, the standard V-Strom 650. With a focus on adventure touring, the X variant was designed to enhance off-road capabilities while retaining the versatility and comfort that the V-Strom series is known for. It quickly gained popularity among riders seeking a reliable and adaptable bike for a variety of terrains. Engine and performance. At the heart of the V-Strom 650XT is a 645-seat liquid-cooled V-twin engine. This power plant delivers smooth power and torque, making it ideal for both city commuting and long-distance travel. The engine is paired with a 6-speed transmission that ensures responsive performance, whether you're cruising on highways or navigating twisty back roads. The bike's lightweight chassis contributes to its nimbleness, allowing for easy handling in various conditions. Comfort and ergonomics. The V-Strom 650XT is designed with rider comfort in mind. Its wide cushioned seat provides excellent support for long rides, and the upright riding position offers great visibility and reduced fatigue. The adjustable windscreen helps to deflect wind and minimize turbulence, making long journeys more enjoyable. Additionally, the bike features durable handguards to protect against wind and debris, enhancing the overall adventure experience. Off-road capabilities. One of the standout features of the V-Strom 650XT is its off-road capability. Equipped with spoked wheels and a more rugged suspension setup, this model is ready to tackle gravel roads and trails. The 19-inch front wheel and 17-inch rear wheel provide stability and traction, making it easier to navigate uneven terrain. Riders can confidently venture off the beaten path, knowing they have a bike that can handle it. Technology and features. The V-Strom 650XT is equipped with modern technology to enhance the riding experience. It features a comprehensive instrument panel that displays essential information, including fuel consumption and trip data. Additionally, the bike comes with ABS as standard, providing added safety during braking. Riders can also benefit from Suzuki's advanced traction control system, which helps maintain stability in varying conditions. Conclusion. In conclusion, the Suzuki V-Strom 650XT is a well-rounded adventure motorcycle that excels in both on-road and off-road environments. With its powerful engine, comfortable ergonomics, and rugged features, it's an excellent choice for riders looking to explore diverse landscapes. Thank you for joining us at Biker's Choice as we explored the Suzuki V-Strom 650XT. Be sure to subscribe for more motorcycle reviews and adventures.